In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel with Make.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity, integrating these platforms is a great step towards achieving that goal. So, let's get started by heading over to the Make.com dashboard. First things first, on the Make.com dashboard, you'll want to initiate this process by creating a new scenario. Scenarios are essentially automated workflows, which are pivotal in setting up automated tasks between your applications. Next, look for the plus button. This little icon will be your gateway to adding different modules to your scenario. Clicking it opens up a world of possibilities to connect various services. Now in the search bar that appears, type in GoHighLevel. Here you'll see a list of available modules you can integrate, such as creating or updating contacts, watching events, creating opportunities, adding notes, or even searching through your contacts. The official integration is quite comprehensive, supporting contacts, opportunities, campaigns, tasks, and much more, giving you the flexibility to tailor the automation to your specific needs. But before we proceed with connecting, there's a crucial step we need to tackle. And that involves creating a GoHighLevel app. This is essential because the app will provide the API credentials necessary for Make.com to communicate with GoHighLevel securely. So, let's navigate over to the GoHighLevel marketplace. Once you're there, log into your GoHighLevel account. This ensures you have access to all the tools and features you need. Look for the section labeled My Apps. This is where you will manage all your created applications. Click on it, and you'll have the option to create a new app. Here, you'll want to select Private App. This choice is important as it allows you the flexibility to customize the connections and permissions as needed. After filling out the required information, don't forget to save the app. Saving the app is a critical step because it finalizes the creation and registers it within your GoHighLevel account. More importantly, this is what enables Make.com to authenticate your app. Without this authentication, the platforms wouldn't be able to communicate and share information effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're setting up a streamlined process to connect GoHighLevel with Make.com, allowing for enhanced productivity, better organization, and most importantly, more time for you to focus on building meaningful relationships with your clients. Remember, automation is all about making your life easier, so don't hesitate to explore further possibilities that this integration offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide. Catch you in the next video.